Hi, welcome to this course Practical Perl Made Easy. Perl is a general purpose programming language originally developed for text manipulation but is now used for a wide range of tasks including system administration, web development, network programming, GUI development, and much more. Perl is basically an interpreted language, which means your code can be run as is without a compilation stage that creates a non-portable executable program. Traditional compilers convert programs into machine language before execution, whereas when you run a Perl program, it's first compiled into a bytecode which is then converted into machine instructions for execution. In this course, you will learn basic concepts of Perl and how to write simple Perl scripts. Additionally, you will learn how to use Perl for day-to-day applications that involves file handling, web scraping, and automating tasks. Also, you will learn how to install and configure a Perl CGI website and additionally about database integration with Perl.